Is your localized compression logic apps broken by the Abalezip Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Ensure your Abalezip library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Abalezip library, a specialized zip compression library. It provides unmanaged routines for high-speed zip archive creation and extraction. It facilitates the orchestration of compressed data link manifests within specific 32-bit localized software. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of localized compression logic to replace Abalezip library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Abalezip library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Abalezip Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Abalezip library configuration concepts. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Abalezip library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.